Hey, welcome back to Madcap Toys. You are back in the toy barn. You guys are crazy. Welcome back to the toy barn. My name is Kathy.
And look how good looking you are. I can get views on this kid.
They're crazy. So yeah, guys, we are here today not to really share about what sold, but we are going to share with you on a recent buy that Daren, actually just received. What, in the last few days ago?
What, Saturday, Friday?
Friday.
Yeah, he called me, what, Friday afternoon-ish?
Probably.
Yeah. Something like that. So anyway, so we are going to share with you exactly what Daren purchased and kind of go through it. So Daren, explain a little bit.
All right. Well, I've got my nephew, who hates me, by the way. He never comes and sees me. He very rarely talks to me.
He's here now.
But he's one of our little toy finder guys that we're just incorporating. He says he might be able to get me a few more deals. So let's just keep those fingers crossed, right? But he brought me a great deal today. It's going to be mostly Mattel centered. Masters Universe. I think it's almost all Masters Universe, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to show him off real quick. Now, ladies, I don't think he's got a girlfriend. He's a nice looking guy. He's losing a lot of weight. He used to be bigger than me.
Oh,
that's not true.
That's true. Lies.
But he's coming here. I'm going to show him off. Brandon, tell him a little bit about yourself. Just get on up here. Just say, hi, my name's Brandon. Let me get up there and give you a little bit. Show you off. I hardly get to show off anybody.
Why, because I'm taller?
Yes, that's exactly right.
Okay.
Everybody's taller than me.
I don't know.
Oh, just about.
But look right in there. This is Brandon. How old are you, Brandon?
I'm 18.
18. Where you work?
No.
No.
We ain't saying that.
He's down at a theater in a local town called Bedford. So there you go. All right, well, guys, I'll just show you what Brandon's got. Brandon, can you tell us a little bit about what you brought us today?
You know more about it than me.
Okay, well, let's do this. Okay. Well, we're going to show you off, okay?
Bye.
We've got, basically, he brought us a Castle Grayskull.
There you go, with the flag.
Yeah, it's got the flag, right? We got various parts. He brought this. Now, some of this we sold, we believe, to the guy in the past when we had one of our physical stores. He just, I'm thinking, needed.
He said he just got it in like not too long ago, like a week ago.
Let's put this over here. Sort of like money, right, Brandon? Sort of, so to say.
Yeah.
So is this carrier Daren vintage or?
Yeah, that's a troop carrier, basically, for the Masters Universe.
Okay.
He's got us little bags of various items.
I like that.
Brandon, if you want to jump in and say anything, feel free.
All you're the expert.
Oh yeah,
so
right.
Are all these like the action figure? What do you call it?
Books. Yeah, action figure inserts, I guess, would be what a lot of people. He brought us the action figure that breaks into 3 dozen pieces and makes 2 or 3 action figures.
What's it called? The tearaway?
I can't remember what it is, to be honest with you. It's been so long ago on all these things from the 80s, Mattel's variants. Just showing off some of that we got in. We don't show a lot of what we bring in because honestly it's just too hard, too much a lot of times.
There's some Battle Cats.
Yeah. Show the Battle Cat.
And it's got its gear too.
Yeah, it does. Cool. That's really nice. He's also got the pink lion.
Oh, it's purple. Purple Panther.
A purple lion. Okay.
Pink.
Wow.
He's
horny there.
Alright.
Alright, you gotta tell me behave, right? Ladder goes over there.
So that goes with the castle.
Yep. Just giving you guys a little brief overview of what we've done. Brandon didn't expect this, but we appreciate him bringing it out.
Is that one more of like a rare one with a different head on it?
Baby, you're asking the wrong guy. I've got this guy here that we bought it off was pretty much an expert. This one I haven't seen in a long time. I've never seen that one, yeah. I mean, when we had the store, I would have been more up on them, but like you know, I'm more of a G.I. Joe Star Wars dude.
And is that the original? That's He-Man, or is that the new? Oh, there's another guy, right? Like Prince.
Prince Adam. Yeah, I don't know.
Really, really nice.
Look, that guy's even got his axe.
That's pretty cool. Yep, that's Ram Man.
Yeah, we will be putting all these guys on our store as quick as we can. It may take us a while because we had the kerfluffle.
Yeah,
so,
we're still dealing with that, but it's getting back there. We had a good run last night.
I didn't realize there was 2 of these.
Yeah, they do.
Cool.
He's got one that has the chest plate and one that don't.
Ooh, look at this one. That is
Yeah, I don't recall him as much.
That's cool.
Yeah. So a lot of you guys are better experts at this than I am.
Oh yeah. I just relisted him. We got a few.
I'm one of those guys that as soon as I don't need to know something, it sort of gets flushed out the brain.
Right. It looks like some have weapons. I like him, and some of them have weapons as well, which is really awesome.
Yeah, they really do. Trying to make sure I'm.
And then we have the ever fabulous Stinkor. Right. That's his,
now I swear, when I was younger and Brandon was a baby, I think that was Brandon's Stinkor.
That wasn't me.
He left some stink.
Yeah, some pretty
Poor
neat
kid,
stuff.
I'm picking on him like a booger. Yeah.
Pretty much.
I'm sorry, I apologize.
But most of the accessories should be in there.
Okay.
I like that.
Well, we will definitely look those up.
Yeah.
So he gave us, we sort of showed it off. We'll turn it over here, guys. He gave us, for you guys that's going to be interested in Masters of the Universe, etc., gave us a bunch of weapons, and I kept those together. That's all right.
I'm going to like pairing those together. That'll be pretty neat.
Said you guys may have seen some of these, and you've probably seen a lot of them. Does he want this tote back or not? Do you know?
I don't think he cares.
Okay. But some things that you're going to really like is this Castle Grayskull. I'm not sure it's complete. It may be, but it does have some of the accessories that are sort of, I'm going to call them rare, semi-rare. So you're going to want to be keeping an eye out for that when it goes on, because I'm going to be pricing it basically to move. And we may try to pair up some of these items together with their action figures. If not, we'll be selling them off singularly or in a lot.
That's pretty awesome.
Because that's got a lot of information that some of you collectors are going to like. Brandon, you want to say anything else?
Nah, I'm good.
He's good. All right, well, guys, I'm going to let Kathy, I'm going to put us back over here and let Kathy end us up over here.
All right.
So she can do it.
Good.
There we go.
Sounds good. You guys can go ahead
Go
if you
right
want
ahead.
to.
No.
All right, guys. Well, I'm going to wrap it up for today. I've got stuff to do on the flip side, but we just wanted to kind of give you a little bit of information on what we bought with the Masters of the Universe, along with the castle and everything. So we are going to try to list those a little bit here and there. Daren's trying to list some new stuff every day while we do the relist. As of this update, we are a little over 2,000 items on out of our 8,600 on the major Madcap Toys eBay site. So, like I said, we're going to try to inch this on a little bit and a little bit. Also compare some of the weapons with the action figures, and maybe even do a little bit of the what do you call it, the little books with the action figures as well. We might sit there and put that in with each figure. It just depends on value, and you guys know as resellers looking it up as well. So, but that's basically it, guys. I'm going to let you go, and we're going to get this kind of inside and looking through it, and start going through it and go from there. And next, hopefully, we will be putting on a what sold video there after that. But until next time, guys, bye-bye.